Here's the truth. In today's economy, cash is not the only currency that matters. The future belongs to those who understand value exchange. Bartering isn't about being broke, it is about being brilliant. Welcome. If you are meeting me for the very first time, my name is Tracie Collins. I am a business strategist and I help teach women in business how to build, scale, and sell their businesses as assets. And today I want to share with you why bartering is one of the most smartest, most strategic business moves that you can ever make. Yesterday in my leader group, one of the members asked that I speak more about bartering because I guess I've been talking more and more about it and why in today's economy, it is going to be crucial that you understand negotiating tactics. I understand that bartering for some has a negative connotation, but when done correctly, powerful things can come of it. So let's talk about why bartering works. When you barter, you're leveraging your skill set to get what you need without your business money or the money made from your business actually leaving your account. It's an equal value exchange of energy, time, and expertise. Take, for instance, myself. I've even bartered my speaking services to gain exposure into broader audiences. I've even bartered speaking at retreats, because you guys know I love retreats, for my accommodations and my retreat experience covered. Okay? So maybe you're a coach and you need help with branding services. Or you're a designer and you need a sales and marketing strategy. What you do is you partner with someone who offers that skill set and you trade your value and everybody wins. Let's be honest, this economy is so unpredictable between inflation and layoffs, shifting global markets. Business owners now more than ever need to find creative ways to keep the doors open and business growing. Bartering allows you more than just moving forward and not knowing, but it helps you move forward with a plan when money slows down. It is a resource tactic and a strategic move. And simultaneously, it helps you build your professional Rolodex. It helps you build your network. It also helps you build your community. These are powerful collaborations that keep the doors open and strengthens your network, which in the end, it strengthens your bottom line. So let's talk about how to barter smart. Here's the key. You must barter like a CEO. You must barter ethically. So get clear on what your value proposition is. Make sure that you put it in writing. Both of you sign it. In the agreement, you set your deliverables and you set your deadlines. And that way it is professional and it is fair. Don't come to the table offering less than what you're asking. This is not a casual exchange between friends. This is a strategic business move, and it needs to be leveraged as such. So when people come together and we share resources and we create new economies, I understand, yes, money, 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 and money is a form of wealth, absolutely. But another form of wealth that we have to honor is relationship building, skill sets, access, and opportunity as currencies as well. These are strategies that when you put them together and you lean more into it in today's market, it will keep you growing. Bartering reminds us that everything we need, we already have. And it was done before capitalism came into play. This is how economies and communities and businesses existed for centuries on end. We're just the ones who are circling back. So, if this message spoke to you, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. But take it a step further and share it with another business owner who may need your help, who may need to hear something like this. You never know, this may be the catalyst for their business breakthrough. And if you yourself, if you're ready to grow in business and create a structure and strategy that is most effective for you, feel free to book a 90-minute consultation with me. And let's build your business in today's new economy.